In this lesson, you will learn about Nodejs event loop. So think of Node.js as a process that never stops, just like this machine. Just think this is not a manual machine, this is an automatic. Okay, so think that this machine is a node process that keeps running, it never stops. Okay, and it's like a flour machine or any machine you imagine that never stops. So you throw rice, if you throw rice, it grinds and give you rice flour, right? So if you throw corn, it grinds and give you corn flour. So think of this, this is a corn here. So once it grinds, let's imagine that it went halfway through, then you put some more rice on top. Does that mean it will immediately give you rice? No. But it keeps running, that's for sure. And eventually you will get rice as well. So you can throw 100s, 1000s of different events to this node process. Doesn't matter. It will execute one by one in this order. First in, first out. Okay, it does the job and then move on to the next one. But some jobs that might take longer than usual, right? Some jobs like reaching out in the remote server, connecting to the database, that will take some more time. So does that mean it stops, wait for the result, and then move on to the next one? No, it doesn't stop. So that part is handled by the callback function. So it starts executing job. If it takes longer than usual, it will leave that responsibility to the callback function, which will eventually return later once the process is done, and instead move to the second job. So while he's doing the second job and third job and so on, the first job that took longer than usual is eventually solved and returned by the callback function. He knows that it has been done, so he executes that and then again continues to execute the rest of the operations, rest of the function. Okay, so that's how event loop works in Node.js. Node.js is a single threaded system, and I will come back to that later. But that doesn't matter. That doesn't compromise the performance of Node.js because it is based on non-blocking input-output system. Node.js, you will not be throwing the wheats and flowers, you will be throwing events, right? So this is just a theory. In the next lesson, let's get our hands dirty and let's work with the file system and see how it all comes together. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.